इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। शुक्रिया। Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share a really delicious recipe of spinach with potatoes. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this recipe till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of spinach with potatoes. So, here are the ingredients. Spinach 2 kg, potatoes 6 to 7 in big chunks, onion 2 medium sized, green chilies 5½ garlic 7 cloves julienne cut, salt 1 tablespoon, chili powder 2 tablespoons or as per your taste, oil ½ cup. Now take oil in a pan and let it get warm. Then add salt and onion and stir fry onion until it becomes slightly pink in color. Now add garlic and fry it until it releases its aroma. Now add potatoes and stir fry it. After it, add spinach into it. Mix it. And now add all the spinach into it and mix it and cover it and let it cook. After 5 minutes, add chili powder and mix it. I am not adding water because spinach have enough water content. It will cook it in its own water. Now I will cover it and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add green chilies and let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's done. So I am dishing it out. Garnish it with some green chilies. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it, leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious desi and continental recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.